Hi, I'm new and I'm gonna show you a YouTube video about this one scouting thing. It's about making an instrument. I forget what's it called, but these are the instructions, and you should join Scouts. It is really fun, and I'm gonna show you how to make that one instrument, and then I'll show you what it sounds like at the end. So first you need this and your paper, which I don't have the same stuff. I don't have the red paper, but it's just a different color. It'll sound the same. And you need to tape it on, I think. I have no idea. I'm just guessing.
Can you pause it, Liz?
It's gonna take a little because I don't know what I'm doing.
Point the camera down at what you're doing.
I hope I'm doing this right.
Do you want us to look, Lou?
Remember, subscribe. So then you have to do the same thing, but on the other side of your stick.
Are you wrapping it?
Which one of you two scared me? Me. I still don't know what I'm doing. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so we are done to
Let me see.
so step 2,
So you're gonna slide. Wait, where's the other popsicle stick? Okay. So
one sec.
So now you're gonna slide the one off because you don't want it taped to there. Okay. So slide that off. Because you don't want it taped to the stick. All right, so now you're going to stretch the wide rubber band around. No, stretch, no. you're taking the one off, and then you're gonna slide off one tongue depressor, which you did, and stretch the wide rubber band. Oh, slide off one tongue depressor. Sorry. Here, we're gonna put that back on. And then you're gonna take off one tongue depressor. Take out one tongue depressor. So that's one of the sticks.
Okay.
So take out one. Yep. And then you're going to stretch this on that. Like this picture.
My mom is just helping me a little.
Okay. Now put the other one back on top. Straighten it out though. Okay. Put the other one on. And then you're going to need the little rubber band.
Do we attach it?
Yeah, you're going to wrap it around the one side. Do you want me to wrap it or are you okay? Oh, here. I'll get one more. Hold on to that.
You'll wish you saw the flying rubber band. This is my scout hat. It's from my uniform. So if you join Scouts, you do have to wear a uniform.
It's time to make music. Oh, it works! Slide the paper loops to change the pitch. So if you slide them, that's pretty cool.
Join Scouts. Bye.